This 2026 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 350G is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 39 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 7 and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 350G is 12,950 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.